Question 2, we now have to do the conversion before we use the tables, and so each time we change our x statistic into our z statistic by doing the number, take away the mean, and divide it by the standard deviation. And the standard deviation is the square root of that, so we're going to divide by 2. This one here, I'll be doing 13, take away the mean, divided by the standard deviation. This one here, I'll be doing 9, take away the mean, divided by the standard deviation. So the values I'm looking for here is the first one, I want the z value to be lower than 1. This one here, I want the z value to be greater than 1.5. And here I'm finding out when my z value is lower than minus 0.5. Again, I'm going to draw a table for every single one of them. Lower than 1, where is 1? 1's here. Lower than 1 is this bit here. So I'm sticking 1 straight into my calculator, looking up the value of 1 and getting 0.841. This time I've got a bigger than 1.5. Here's 0, here's 1.5. Bigger than, it's going to be a very small piece here. So I'm doing 1, take away, looking up 1.5 in the calculator or in the tables, and it's a 1 take away it because we want the bit that's higher than it, 0.0668. Here we've got a less than, it's minus 0.5. So here's 0, here's minus 0.5. Look, it's going to be a small number. It's certainly going to be less than a half, this probability here. Look up minus 0.5 on the calculator and just get 0.309 straight away. Let's scroll down a tiny bit so we can see some of the others. Let's do our conversions again. Don't worry about the or equal to. We had in the last review sheet that or equal to's were going to be exactly the same as the greater thans or the less thans, because it's never going to be equal to. There you go, take away the mean and divide by the standard deviation. So we're going for bigger than minus 0.75. And well, let's do that one there. So minus 0.75, that's there. Bigger than, look, it's clearly going to be quite a large area. It's going to be bigger than a half when we do it. And because it's a bigger than, we're doing 1 take away, look up the value for minus 0.75. So we've got 1 take away that. So we're getting 0.773 there. We've got that. And last one then, changing these on the left, 9 take away the mean divided by the standard deviation, so that's minus 0.5, and the top one, 13 take away the mean divided by the standard deviation, that's 1.5. We're trying to go from 1.5 down to minus 0.5, and the method of this is work out the area all the way up to there. We've already got that one, the area all the way up to there is 0.93319. And then what don't we want? We don't want this bit down here. We don't want the bit that's less than the negative half. So that's, we're going to take off for 0.30854. That leaves us with the bit in the middle, 0.625. The bit in the middle, that bit there. Look at the jigsaw. The red one, take away the blue one, gives the green one. That's the method of working those ones out.